Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the car set and committing to the first input. Lower rear traction slightly by increasing rear tire pressure or using grippier fronts. This helps rotation. Once done, place the car on the outside line, keep steering ready, and grab a short, firm clutch blip if needed. You want weight transfer to the rear instantly. This is why a quick brake or clutch shift input works. Now aim for a controlled entry speed and hold steady throttle intent. You initiate the drift with a decisive upset. A feint or clutch kick transfers weight and breaks rear traction. As the tail comes out, immediately apply opposite lock while feeding throttle to sustain the slide. You must modulate throttle. Too much and you spin, too little and you regain grip. Once the angle stabilizes, make small steering corrections and slight throttle tweaks to maintain balance. Keep your eyes ahead to set the line and anticipate the next steering change. You finish the drift by progressively reducing throttle while rolling the wheel back to straighten the car. Do this smoothly so weight shifts forward and tires bite. If you feel snap oversteer, gently lift and countersteer into the slide to regain control. If the car understeers, a quick throttle pulse can break rear traction again. Make sure to practice in a safe, legal environment, and each time refine inputs incrementally so you build predictable responses and avoid sudden.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.